Hey, welcome back to the channel. This is the Wagonators. We're here at the Buffalo Chip this morning. Right here, big engine bar. It's a free bar to get into if you just want to come down. But we're going to kind of give you a little bit of tour outside the facility here. And that way everybody gets a chance to see what it looks like. I'm going to flip you guys around. Alright. Well, the rain has subsided. So this is the big engine bar. Let me back up here. That's the front of it. You can go inside and you can get a nice cold drink while you're down here. Alright, this is kind of inside that bar you can kind of get into and see what you want to do. And it's been raining for the last, what, 2 days, 3 days? And you come over here and get your bike washed. I think they do it on tips. So if everybody's got a dirty bike, you can come over and get it washed and have a little bit of scenery while you're doing it. Well, the rain has let up, so you got a lot more bikers out here. Everything's getting nice and out. Alright, right down here in Buffalo Chip, they got a lot of vendors down here. You can kind of get whatever you want. Looks like they're going to have the, I don't know, something about they're going to have the Wall of Death down here. I don't know when the shows are. They probably have to let things dry out a little bit. Yeah. Looks like this is kind of what's probably in the back side of Buffalo Chip, what it looks like. We'll be back down there this afternoon. We're going to go to the Leonard Skinner concert. That's kind of what most of the bikes look like. They're all dirty from the mud and all that. Vendors are getting set up after a couple of days of rain, but looks like they got Triumphs here. I think you can do demo rides. Alright, we're up here by the West box office. We've already got our tickets, so we're not going to need to go up there. Give you kind of a tour up here. So I think we're going to head out of here for a little bit. We need to go over to Indian. My wife wants to go over there and maybe pick her something up nice for her motorcycle or something nice for her to wear. So we're going to kind of mosey up through here and we'll end it here in a little bit, and we'll give you kind of show some bikes as we come up through here. But one thing we can say is we're glad it stopped raining. They got some coon tails. Alright, I think we're going to leave it right here. We're going to mosey on out of here. So, hope everybody has a good day. And if you're out riding, have a safe ride. Rubber side down.
And the shiny side up.
Thanks for watching.